Do you understand the order of the Executive Committee and the Central Committee that you will submit the paperwork to include Mr. Stivers and Mr. Liston on the ballot, with Mr. Liston receiving the top line vote?
Yes, sir. I understand that the Central Committee has adopted a resolution that requires me to sign a false affidavit to the state. Yes.
And will you do so?
I will seek legal counsel, as I am being asked to sign an affidavit that states Mr. Stiver received 30% of the vote. I need to seek legal counsel to find out if I am putting myself in jeopardy of a misdemeanor for doing that.
And you understand
I will
the
consult with
order
counsel
of the Central Committee that you do so?
Yes, sir. I understand the Central Committee has ordered me to sign an affidavit stating that a candidate got 30% who did not, and I will seek legal counsel and determine if I am able to legally follow that.
All right, Mr. Bremer. I understand your position. We will now move on